Americate. He tells us we have to be careful to stick out our tongues far enough so that the communion wafer won't fall to the floor.
Kommunion.
Communion wafer won't fall to the floor. Benedict, would you go on?
He says that's the worst thing that can happen to a priest. If the wafer slides off your tongue, that poor priest has to get down on his 2 knees, pick it up with his own tongue and lick the floor around it in case it bounced from one spot to another. The priest could get a splinter that would make his tongue swell to the size of a turnip, and that's enough to choke you and kill you entirely. He tells us that next to a relic of the true cross,
A relic of the true cross.
Relic, aufstehen.
Ist es in dem Fall.
Aufstehen. Aufstehen.
Also aufstehen. Relic, relic, relic ist ja eine Reliquie.
relic, 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 relic.
Und weißt du, schön ist Kai Democracy.
Democracy, 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 democracy.
Okay. Next to the relic of the true cross.